Okay, so I've done a video on what you need to connect your keyboard to your phone. Right, so the second part now, I'll be plugging everything right before your eyes. So we'll plug it here, right? Then this type C, plug it to my other phone, second phone, right? Okay, so I've plugged it. So it's asking me some question here. File transfer, okay, right? So it's asking use Android driver, so use Ntrack driver. Okay, so right, so I still have my, so to be sure, let's turn off the sound on this keyboard function. Let's go to local. I think we should take this route. We'll get to local faster like this, right? I think I already passed it. Oh god, local should press enter, off, right? Then we can exit, so we no longer get so that I'll be sure when once it starts. So audio here, audio output here, you come here and pick digital keyboard and pick OK, right? So okay, so and now we'll click this plus sign and then click instrument. So first off, let's try the piano on the app first. So I'm pressing on the keyboard, is on the phone, is coming here, so you can see. So I'm playing the keyboard, you can see that. Okay, so that's that. So that's using the sound from the software itself. So but we can also use external sound also. That one for Ntrack, you come here, you click, once you click the instrument, you come down to add custom sound font, then you say import sound. So you must have had some sounds. Let me pick more Motive Galaxy, then let's check that, so you can see that. All right, you can see that. So that's that about that. So I just taught you how to use both the internal sound for Ntrack and also to use the external sound for Ntrack. I'm going to do the same thing for Audio Evolution sometimes very soon, right? So and the keyboard I used in this video is actually Yamaha PSR E473. I think I've tried with E4632 before. They are mostly the same thing, they work together. So once it has that USB port for Midi, you should be fine. So now you can get external sounds, montage sounds, motive sounds, note sounds, and start using it directly from this app, and then your keyboard will, and you can see there's no latency, right? God bless you. Bye.